Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete personal data or delete your account on Township, so let's get right into it. So first and foremost, you as a consumer, as a user, do have rights, and one of those rights is the General Data Protection Regulation, which dictates that you have the right to control pretty much how your data is used. You can give your consent or take away consent at any time if you do not want your information to be used, and that means that you can delete your information from the internet as well as delete any accounts which do use personal information, such as names, emails, numbers, and so on and so forth. It is possible to delete your account and start the game from level 1. However, there are a few steps that you need to go through first, so let me go over them really quickly. Now, for the iOS and Mac OS, you want to go into the in-game settings and open the About Game section. Then you click the Delete Account button, then just click Continue, and then once you're in the second pop-up, type in Delete with all caps and click Confirm, and your account should be deleted. Now, that's for iOS and Mac. On iOS and Android, you do need to request the deletion of your data, and keep in mind, once you delete your account with the previous method, it can be cancelled within 15 days, and within those 15 days you cannot create a new account or a new game from the beginning. Now, on iOS and Android, you want to go to the in-game settings and tap Help and Support. Go to any article in any section, click the No button in the lower right corner, then tap Contact Us. Then in the pop-up, write your request to opt out of the sale of personal information, or have your personal data or data received from third parties be completely deleted, submitted, and then you'll be asked to read a couple of more articles. If this happens, select I still have questions, select personal data in progress deletion, confirm your request, and answer a few questions, and a support agent will contact you. On Windows, it's a bit easier. Just go into in-game settings and tap Help and Support, enter your name and email, then write the request, and then one of the agents will contact you, and you just need to confirm it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.